Another version of the game show is that the quizmaster inquires each of the 3 participants, for example 10 questions to each. To each inquiry, quizmaster and participants have written to answers, true and untrue. Asked, the participant chooses one of them and answer the question. Quizmaster can repeatedly ask the same question differently way. Quizmaster guess the truth or falsity of the answer and puts plus sign or minus. The player gains a point if he can deceive the quizmaster. In the final part of the game, players guess a figure of points gained by each of them. Winner is the player who will offer the largest real number, but he may not exceed the number of points scored. Let's start.
What is your first name? My name is Bob. Robert. Not Patrick? No, Robert. You behave strangely saying that name. You only think so. Listen to me, Patrick. I want to tell you. I'm Robert, not Patrick. What is your middle name? My middle name is Gordon. Gordon is such a noble name. This makes me very happy. What is your last name? My last name is Pink. Not Smith. No, Pink. Bobby Pink. Give me your date of birth. I was born the 1st of January 1990. Could you repeat? I was born the 1st of January 1990. Give me your birthplace. I was born in London. I think it is Paris. You are wrong. What is your father's name? My father's name is John. John. When you ask who is your father, you are responsible, John. And what does your father say about it? And what should he say? He is proud to have such a son. I greet you, John. You have a wonderful son. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Susan. Your mother is Betty. No, pretty woman Susan. What is your sister's name? My sister's name is Betty. Not Susan. No, Betty. What is your brother's name? My brother's name is Benny. Benny? Benny? How do you call him at home? Simply Benny. What is the surname sitting in the audience? Your best friend. My best friend's surname is Smith.
I want to tell you that characters on the screen in the first column concerning participant response, in the second column guess in Quizmaster. Characters are invisible, of course, for participants and Quizmaster. Some characters of Quizmasters are invisible on the TV screen.
Okay, I'll ask the second participant. What is your first name? I'm Hans. Hans in a German name. Ja, natürlich.
Shortcut.
I'll ask the 2 last question to the third participant. Mr. 3, what is your brother name? My brother name is Peter. Say it once again. My brother is Mark. Not Peter? No, Mark. Okay. What is the surname sitting in the audience? Your best friend. My best friend's surname is Jean. I think he is Johnson. No, Jean. Okay.
Thank you. Now you have to declare how many points you are achieve in the game. I remind wins the person who will declare the highest real number of points. If more participants will declare the same highest number of points, then wins the person whose number of obtained points is closer to number of points declared. If more people will declare the same highest number of points and their number of obtained points will be the same, then the prize is split. Mr. 1, start please.
I'll play for 3 points. Me too. And Mr. 3, I'll play 3 points, too. Everyone give 3 points. I'll play for 4 points. And I'll give 4 points. Okay, Mr. 1 and Mr. 3 gave for 4 points. Mr. 2 said 3 points. Okay, thank you. I close the auction. Let's check your achievements. Let's see the results of the first 5 questions. Everyone have 2 points. Let's check next 2 questions. Everyone have chance to win. And 8 question. Mr. 2 gains 3rd point. If no one else scored a point, Mr. 2 would be the winner. After question number 9, the winners are Mr. 1 and Mr. 3 because they both declared 4 points. Please reveal the outcome of the 10th point. Unfortunately, Mr. 3 gains 5th point and the winner is Mr. 1. It may be more interesting if after several or each questions, the corresponding person will be changed. Give me your birthplace. I was born in London. I think it is Paris. You are wrong. What is your first name? I'm Hans. Hans in a German name. Ja, natürlich. Veiled characters in the TV screen can be more or less. At auction, a player may have the right to know one character. Before I start listing, I want to know how was scored the 5th answer. Okay, I'll play for 3 points.
Quiz show components that can be exchanged. The goal of the game is to score the most points or their substitutes by a participant and winning awards funded. Possible rewards: financial or material resources. Formal phase. 1. Greeting. 2. Introduction. A. Without introduction. 3. Explanation of rules. A. Explanation of all rules. Phase of the game. 1. The person asking the question. A. Quizmaster. 2. Time unlimited. 3. Topic of questions. A. First and second name. B. Surname. C. The date of birth. D. Habitation. E. Primary school. G. Intermediate school. I. Secondary school. K. Parents. L. Siblings. Or O. The shown picture. 4. Number of participants in the beginning. C3. 5. Number of questions. B. For each topic, you can ask a few questions. 6. Types of questions. A. Compulsory. B. Additional. 8. Scoring. A. The person giving the answer gains or at least doesn't lose points if its true testimony are rejected. 9. Participants scored. A. The person giving the answer. 10. Requirements of answers. C. Response without restrictions. 12. Information to the players about the state of their account during the game. C. No information or partial. 15. Final steps. F. Bidding the number of points scored. G. Checking the number of points scored. And D. Replaying an answer or question and answer and showing the truth.